got an a bud, a b,
That's a buh. A bud in a bag. And it is.
Right that bud, green and red.
It is. It's a flower. It's a rosebud.
He looks pretty happy.
He does. He likes his bag. What's the next one?
What's the next one?
Oh, that one's tricky. That's a j sound.
J.
J.
Jig.